Welcome to today's quick tech breakdown. In under 2 minutes, let's understand what Cloudflare is and why it powers a huge part of the modern internet. When you visit a website, your device sends a request to the website's server, but what if that server is far away, or overloaded, or under attack? That's where Cloudflare comes in. Cloudflare is a global web infrastructure company that sits between users and websites to provide three major things: speed, security, and reliability. Cloudflare stores cached copies of websites on servers worldwide, so when someone visits a site, Cloudflare delivers it from a server closest to the user. Result: web pages load faster anywhere in the world. Cloudflare protects websites from cyber attacks like DDoS attacks, malicious bots, unauthorized access. It filters harmful traffic before it ever reaches the website. Cloudflare also provides one of the internet's fastest DNS resolvers, 1.1.1.1, improving browsing speed and privacy. Organizations use Cloudflare's Zero Trust platform to secure employee access without traditional VPNs. Developers can run code directly on Cloudflare's global network, reducing latency and supporting modern applications. Cloudflare helps websites and apps stay fast, secure, and online, even under heavy load or attack. It's a powerful backbone technology shaping how we experience the internet today. Thanks for watching. Let me know which tech topic you'd like me to simplify next.